Garagefathers are going to do a new video every single Friday and release it for you. That's right, a new Garagefathers video every single Friday. Every single Friday.
Every single Friday.
We almost didn't have a video for you guys. We took this bad boy out and we drove it yesterday. And nobody's ever driven this truck, by the way, but me and the people from the movie studio. So I let Kenny drive it and he broke it. We worked one super long night last night to get this back up and running. We are shooting video today, and if everything goes right, you guys are going to get a video by late this evening. So we're going to try it.
In my defense, it's what I do. I look good and I break things.
He breaks things, yeah. Okay, you guys, we gotta confess, Kenny didn't really break the truck. The truck just broke. And I believe we had probably valves that were over tight.
I just happen to be driving it.
You just happened to be driving out. But I think our valves were too tight. Those were adjusted by somebody quite a long time ago, unfortunately. And we basically smashed the tip off of a push rod. So we worked late last night, got that fixed, adjusted the valves properly, and now I think it's running like a top, and I think it's really running better. This truck is running better than it has ever, really, since I've owned it. So it's amazing what a good valve adjustment and a little bit of tinkering can do for you. But thanks for taking the brunt of that, though, there, dude.
Extra fun to shoot. I'm sure the whole thing was a ball, but
oh man, yeah, there are so many stories, man. The chase scene was pretty awesome because just of the nature of what it was.
Oh, yeah.
And a funny thing about that is a leading actor, and I won't mention any names, was outfitted with a bunch of squibs that explode to make it look like you're getting hit by bullets. And one of the little cap explosions put a little nick on his hand, and he had medics called in and everything. It was really funny.
Wow.
Yeah, it was pretty funny. They had to stop shooting and take care of him, and then he did man up and started going again. But it was kind of funny.
Hey Tommy, why don't you tell us a little bit more about being on the set of Jeepers Creepers 3, you know, and having the truck? Were there any moments where you were concerned for the truck's safety or anything like that?
Yeah, pretty much every moment when they're doing a film, it's they don't really care about stuff. They care about bagging good film. But One of the times, surprisingly, I wasn't that worried about it, but they really were. That's a fun story. So
What happened?
when the dirt bike riders found the truck and they found what was in it and they start riding off, they were chased by a drone. And they had this really huge drone, 6 props. It could carry a regular movie camera.
Wow.
And it wasn't keeping up with the dirt bikes, so they had to bring in a smaller drone. Well, the drone operator ran it into this truck. Even though it was stationary and like at the starting point of the chase.
Oh, man.
And man, they were so concerned. They called in, they treated the truck like a person.
Oh, really?
They called in people, they shut everything down, called me over. Don't worry, we're fully insured. I'm just like, that little scratch, I'm gonna just put some rust in it and it's a mark on the truck,
Yeah.
you know, of where it came from. Hold on, time out. We interrupt your viewing pleasure to give you an important announcement.
I don't know how much of this comes through on the video, guys, but Tom is actually a really conservative guy, especially when it comes to his truck. He babies the thing. He's hyper protective over it. And from the day we met, I've been scumbagging him to do a burnout because he's never done one in it. So he's always said no until this week when I pointed out to him that
We need to do a burnout.
we need to do a burnout. It's what you guys want to see, and that was the tipping point for him, right?
Right.
Yeah. We got it all on film, but before we show it to you guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and of course, if you want the best service and rates on insurance, you know where to get it. The Garagefathers. Don't hit me.
Yeah, that's right. We broke it again, but we're gonna fix it. We will get you guys your burnout. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
I'm sorry.